Quality of a life is a measure of comfort, health, and happiness by a person or a group of people. Quality of life observes everything such as physical health, family, education, employment, wealth, freedom, environment, and safety. Quality of life, however, is subjective. People give certain factors more or less weight depending on their definition of quality of life. To get a better understanding of which US state have the best quality of life, US News and World Report consider a wide range of factors and ranked every state for each one. These factors are healthcare, education, economy, infrastructure, opportunity, fiscal stability, crime and corrections, natural environment. Each of these categories included more specific aspects. Healthcare looks at access to healthcare, affordability, and quality. So today in this video we are talking about top 5 states in United States with highest quality of life. Number 5, Vermont. Vermont has the 5th best quality of life in the United States. Vermont ranks 2nd for crime corrections, 7th for natural environment, and 8th for education. Vermont has the 2nd lowest crime rate in the country and inclusive state laws. Vermont residents are very active, healthy individuals who are highly educated, with a 38.7% bachelor's degree attainment rate. Additionally, Vermont's unemployment rate stands at just 2.3%. If you are from Vermont, just hit the like button. Number 4, Utah. Utah has the 4th best quality of life in the United States. Utah ranks 2nd for economy, 3rd for infrastructure, and 5th for physical stability. Utah has a strong economy and a low unemployment rate of 2.5%. Utah residents are among some of the healthiest in the country, have very low obesity rates. Utah, however, ranks 49 for natural environment due to poor air quality. That's not good. Number 3, Minnesota. Minnesota has the 3rd best quality of life in the United States, ranking 3rd for opportunity and natural environment, and 6th for infrastructure. Minnesota has the 4th longest life expectancy in the United States of 80.9 years. Minnesota has a strong economy and job market with an unemployment rate of 3.2% of below the national rate of 3.6%. Minnesota residents are also considered to some of the nicest and most inclusive people in the country. Crime rates are all low. The air is clean and the population is healthy. Number 2, the New Hampshire. New Hampshire has the 2nd healthy quality of life in US. New Hampshire ranks 1st for opportunity, as the state has the lowest poverty rate in country of 6.4%. Additionally, New Hampshire has one of the lowest unemployment rates in the country of 2.6% and a strong job market. New Hampshire also ranks 1st for crime and corrections, 4th for natural environment, and 5th for education. Guys, if you are from New Hampshire, then please hit the like button and say something in comment section. Number 1, Washington. Washington state has the highest quality of life in all 50 states. When it comes to the economy, residents of Washington state enjoy no state income tax, a thriving job market, and great international business opportunities. Additionally, the state has the 9th lowest poverty rate in the US of 10.3%. Washington ranked 2nd for infrastructure, 3rd for economy, and 4th for health care and education. Washington is one of the most healthiest states in the country with a life expectancy of 80.3 years. That sounds pretty good. Guys, please hit the like button and share this video with all of your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.